Hello students, good morning. I am Sanidol Kumar Singh and I am teaching 12th class chemistry. Okay, my channel name is SD Singh Conversion Chemistry. Okay, so please do not forget like, comment and subscribe my channel. Your response is very indispensable and essential for me to boosting my convince. Okay, and your knowledge and your query, your question is also important for me, and your for suggestion, any suggestion you have, please suggest me to subscribe my channel. So my previous lecture is conversion of alkyl halides to amine. So this lecture is also just extended part of that lecture. So this one is my second lecture, that is organometallic compound, and that is also known as Grignard reagent. So it could be represented by RMGX or ARMGX. Okay, I can give an example, that is methyl magnesium halides, या ethyl magnesium halides, या propyl magnesium halides, या arene magnesium bromide. Okay, so let us see the application of Grignard reagent या reaction of Grignard reagent with carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde या ketone, or with alcohol, with amine group. Okay, so let us see how Grignard reagent react with all those compounds and what product will be formed and what are the reaction mechanism. We will understand. Okay. So this is, firstly I have Rx. In previous lecture also I am just giving an extension of Rx. Okay, how you will, previous lecture I also teach from conversion of Rx. Okay, so Rx to Caesium, this is also used for ascending the series, means just increasing the chain length. And Grignard is also used when, if you want product more number of carbon, okay, than reactant, then you use Grignard reagent. Okay, and Caesium also, means alkyl cyanide and Grignard reagent are used when, if you want product in number of carbon is more than reactant in which number of carbon is less. Okay, so whenever you have product in which number of carbon is requirement more, then you use Grignard reagent and Caesium to obtaining alkyl cyanide. So here alkyl halides. So if you react with Mg, yeah, if you have ARX, means arene halides, yeah, halobenzene, okay, yeah, alkyl halides to haloalkane. If both react with Mg, product formed is RMGX. RMGX. Okay, all those three both are known as organometallic compound या Grignard reagent. Okay, this one is polar. RMGX is polar. Why? Because RMGX could be write like this, MGX. Okay, and you know the electronegativity of carbon is 2.5. Okay, and magnesium is around 1.2, like this. Okay, means the electronic difference is more. Electronegativity difference is more. It shows that it is polar. Okay, so this one is our Grignard reagent, both. Okay, I can take an example, CH3MgX of RMGX and ARMGX is MgB. These are all Grignard reagent. This is also a Grignard reagent. This is also a Grignard reagent या organometallic compound. Okay, so now we will see the application of Grignard agent. Okay. I have carbonyl compound. One, this is represented by C double bond O. Okay, here a group can be attached. Here hydrogen can be attached. Here alkyl group can be attached. Here arene group can be attached. Okay, so this one is the carbonyl compounds. It may be aldehyde. It may be ketone. Okay, this one is carbonyl compound. Okay, when it react with RMGX, that is Grignard reagent, in presence of dry ether, okay, then firstly addition product form. First addition product form, that is known as adduct. You can say adduct. Addition product can be called as adduct. Okay, so this one will come with O. Okay, means OMGX. Okay, and this one is R. Okay, this one is our adduct, means addition product. Good. Now if you will do hydrolysis of this, means HOH, addition of and H2O, this part will come with this, and H will attach with oxygen. Okay, means every time we will get what? Every time we will get MgOHX is a byproduct. When Grignard reagent react with carbonyl compound, every time you will get MgOHX as a byproduct. So I will not write again and again. So please remember, when carbonyl compound, it may be aldehyde, it may be ketone. Okay, so when carbonyl compound react with Grignard reagent, always manganese MgOHX as a byproduct form. Okay, so I will not write again and again. Okay, so please remember. Okay, and product formed is see, this one parts always write as it is, reactant. This one parts always write it as it is in product. It doesn't change. No? Here O and this H combined with O. So this one is alcohol form. It may be 1 degree alcohol, it may be 2 degree alcohol, it may be 3 degree alcohol, depending on the which carbonyl compound used. Used formaldehyde. If you use formaldehyde, 1 degree alcohol form means primary alcohol form. If you use other member of aldehyde except formaldehyde, then 2 degree alcohol form means secondary alcohol form. If you use ketone, then 3 degree means tertiary alcohol form. Okay, and always magnesium hydroxide MgOHX form as a byproduct. Okay, so need to remember. Okay, I will not write again and again. This one always come as a byproduct. Okay, when carbonyl compound react with Grignard reagent. Okay, so how many matrix could be formed from these carbonyl compounds? This one need to understand how many. So there are 3 matrices could be formed from these carbonyl compounds. One is C double bond O. Here both bond attached with hydrogen. This one is one matrix, means HCHO. This one is formaldehyde, means one matrix is formaldehyde. Okay. Second matrix is if one hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group, yeah, arene group, any. If I am replacing this H, if I am replacing this H with R, then what will get H. No problem. Third, if I am replacing both H, here this one is other member of aldehyde, RCHO, means it is not a formaldehyde. This one is formaldehyde, but this one is other member of aldehyde. I can write other members of aldehyde. It could be staldehyde, it could be propionaldehyde, it could be butanaldehyde. Okay, so other third matrix could be formed is R. Again this H is replaced by alkyl group. This H is replaced by alkyl group. Then other third matrix is formed is ketone. That is simply ketone, that is known as acetone. Means that is ketone. Simplest ketone is acetone. So three matrix could be formed from carbonyl compounds. One is formaldehydes, another is other members of aldehyde. It could be staldehyde, it could be propionaldehyde, depending on the increasing number of carbon. And third matrix is acetone. Okay, by replacing both hydrogen. If you replace both hydrogen by alkyl. So when first react with Grignard agent, means CH3MgX, okay, then this MgX will come with this, and you write reactant, this part will write as it is. Okay, so I can erase it, this one I can erase, very simple, I can erase this. When it react with presence of dry ether, all use as a reagent dry ether, then this part is at its H, this part I will write as it is. Okay, this part in all reaction, here also if you use CH3MgX, here if you also use CH3MgX, so writing reaction is very easy, all dry ether. Okay, understand, just dry ether. Okay, so here also I am writing as it is, here this part I am not any disturbing, R, C, R. Okay, I am writing all this part I am writing as it is. Okay, but here this one is OMGX, very simple, na? Writing. This one is all adduct form, OMGX, and this one CH3 remain, CH3 here. Okay, here CH3, OMGX, CH3, here CH3, one OMGX and CH3. These all those three are adduct, means addition product, and very easy to write, very easy to write. So when you do hydrolysis, HOH means H2O, HOH, okay. Whenever you do hydrolysis, right, just see this product MgX will come with this OH, MgX this will come with this OH, and MgX will come with this hydrogen remain, hydrogen remaining. Okay, this hydrogen attached with O, this hydrogen is attached with O, this hydrogen is attached with O. Very simple to write. H, C, H, O, H, and CH3. This one is CH3, CH2OH. Means this one is primary alcohol, 1 degree alcohol. Primary alcohol. This one is R, C, R, O, H, CH3, and here R, C, R, O, H, CH3. This one is second degree alcohol, this one is 3 degree alcohol. Okay, and all three product, byproduct formed is MgOHX, MgOHX as a byproduct. Okay. In all carbonyl compounds, MgOHX as byproduct. Okay, and alcohol is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol is product form. Okay, so very easy to understand. Okay, when formaldehyde react with methyl magnesium halides, yeah, Grignard reagent, when formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, 1 degree alcohol form and MgOH acts as a byproduct form. When other member of aldehyde means acetaldehyde, propionaldehyde, butaldehyde, like this, react with Grignard reagent, 2 degree alcohol form and MgOH acts as a byproduct. When acetone or ketone, that is simplest ketone, react with Grignard reagent, 3 degree alcohol form. Okay, so this one is about when carbonyl compound react with Grignard reagent, it formed what? It formed 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol and MgOH acts as a byproduct. This is the general representation. Okay, just I am explaining all those mechanisms. Okay, so let's another one application. When now I have a 4 number is I have carbon dioxide. If I have a carbon dioxide means CO2. I can write CO2 is like this. Good. Carbon have 4 valency, means this 4 bond could be accommodated. This 2 oxygen atom can be accommodated like this. No problem it. When this one react with RMGX means Grignard reagent, when this one react with Grignard reagent, okay, in presence of dry ether, okay, no problem it. Then this part C, this one will come with oxygen. Okay, means this O, 1O come, this part I am writing as it is. No problem it. I am writing as it is, this part. Okay, this part 1 OMGX, this one OMGX, remaining is alkyl group. No problem it. When you do hydrolysis, means adding of H2O, H2O hydrolysis, whenever you do hydrolysis, okay, then what? This one OH will come with this MgX. No problem it. Okay, means R C OH and this H will come with this O. No problem it. And this O is C. Means what? Carboxylic acid form. Acid form generally, and byproduct is MgOHX. Okay. If I am taking example, I am just preparing something, some organic compound. If I want to prepare what? If I want to prepare acetic acid from methyl magnesium halide, just suppose that if I want to prepare, this one is CO2, okay, and if I have a CH3MgX, no problem, this is methyl magnesium halide, and if I want to prepare acetic acid, then what I have to do? Then here what is found? Here found is CH3COH plus MgOH. Simple. Simple. I am put this one in this formula. Okay, no problem. Means if you want acetic acid, you use methyl magnesium halide. If you want propanoic acid, you will use here. If you use C2H5MgX, okay. Here I will get what? Here I will get what? If I am using CO2 plus C2H5MgX, I will get what? Propanoic acid. ठीक है. If I am using methyl magnesium halide, I will get acetic acid. If I will use ethyl magnesium halide, I will get propanonic acid. So very easy to convert and very easy to obtain product. Okay. So Grignard reagent is generally used for what? Ascending the series. If you want the product in more number of carbon in comparison to reactant, means if you want product of 2 carbon, then magnesium halide means Grignard reagent is used of single carbon. Okay. If you want product of 3 carbon means Grignard reagent will use of 2 carbon. Okay, just see here, no? one carbon, but I will get product of 2 carbon. Okay, so very easy to ascending the series. Okay. Now, if I have what? If I have RCN, alkyl cyanide. If I am using alkyl cyanide react with Grignard reagent, means if I am representing this one with R dash MgX, no problem, with dry ether as a reagent. Okay, then simply I am writing this part as it is. No problem, means R C double bond N, this part MgX. Okay, and this single bond will come with this. Okay, no problem. If we will do hydrolysis, means 2H2. Okay, means 2H2 I can write like this. I want to write like this, HOH, for better understanding the mechanism, better way. So just MgX will come with this OH. No problem. Or this N will come with 3 hydrogen. Okay? Means one byproduct is MgOHX, another is NH3, and O remaining attached with this double bonded compound. Means R C double bond O, and here R dash of Grignard reagent, and one byproduct is MgOHX, and plus N and 3 hydrogen NH3. No problem. Okay. If I am using here HCN, just see, if I am using here HCN, means I am replacing alkyl group with hydrogen group. I am using HCN. Then what will form? When I am using RCN, means alkyl cyanide with Grignard reagent, then ketone form. But when I am using HCN with Grignard reagent, then aldehyde form. So I am writing like this as it is. Very simple. Okay, and this part is R. No problem. Easy to understand. If I will do hydrolysis, means HOH. Okay, 2H2O HOH. This one part will come with MgOX, is come with this one. No problem. Okay, means remaining part is what? HCr plus this with okay, plus NH3 plus what, plus MgOH. So two things you can understand. When you have aldehyde, you will get what? You will get, when you have HCN you will get aldehyde, but when you have RCN you will get ketone. Means HCN plus Grignard reagent and RCN plus Grignard reagent, means I can write like this. Okay, then first aldehyde form and here ketone. Okay, simple. Okay, so two things need to remember. Okay, and now we have when you have a active hydrogen compound, and that active hydrogen compound react with Grignard reagent, what will form? And that when product form, that depends on the number of carbon, number of alkyl group used in Grignard reagent. Means product form when your Grignard reagent react with active hydrogen compounds, then product form, that product is depends only and only on Grignard reagent's carbon compounds. Means suppose that I have active hydrogen compounds is RNH2, two hydrogen active RN NH R dash, okay, this one is also R2NH, okay, and this one is ROH, alcohol, and if you have RSH means thiol group, that is ethyl mercaptan, like this, na, taken as ethyl mercaptan, it is used in your gas LPG for leakage detection. So whenever you use, suppose that RNH2 react with, take an example of RNH2, means suppose that I am taking example of C2H5NH2, this one example. When it react with CH3MgX, then product formed is CH4. There are two possibilities. Actually, one possibility it could be formed C2H6, CH4. One possibility is C2H6, and one possibility is to product forming is CH4. Okay. Plus MgX is this one. Okay. ना MgC2H5 and X, ठीक है, no problem, ठीक है. So this one, but product form when your active hydrogen compound react with Grignard reagent, always product form is depend on how many carbon used in Grignard reagent, not depending on active hydrogen compounds. Okay, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen. Okay, so this one is Ng, not good. This one is not good, means this one can't form. Whenever C2H5NH2 react with CH3MgX, product formed is CH4. Okay, this one is okay. Whenever NH plus CH3MgX. Okay, here also the same, CH4. Okay, other is byproduct. Here also CH4. Here also CH3MgX is CH4. Okay. Okay. Suppose that I am using here C3H7OH. Okay. Or I am using here C2H5MgX. Then product formed here is what? Here product formed is C2H6 plus MgO MgC2 MgC3H7OX. Okay. This one could not form. This product only depends on how many carbon used in Grignard region. If here uses ethyl magnesium halide, then here ethane form. Okay. If I am using methyl magnesium halide, then methane form. Okay. Understand? Okay. So these are the all Grignard region applications. Okay. Understand? So if I want to give in a summary of Grignard region, then summary is what? Summary of Grignard region. Then when formaldehyde, you have a formaldehyde, when formaldehyde and other member of aldehyde, except formaldehyde, right? Okay. One is this, another is this, one, second, and third one is if you have used ketone, fourth use HCN, 5 if you use what? RCN, 6 if you have carbon dioxide means CO2, 7 if you have active hydrogen means so many compounds that have active hydrogen. Okay, if all those react with Grignard region, if all those react with Grignard region, then what product form? Okay. Grignard region. Okay. Then when formaldehyde react, we will get 1 degree alcohol. When other member of aldehyde react, will get 2 degree alcohol. When ketone react with Grignard agent, will get 3 degree means tertiary alcohol. When formaldehyde react with Grignard agent, will get primary alcohol, that is 1 degree alcohol. When other member of aldehyde except formaldehyde react with Grignard agent, will get 2 degree alcohol. When ketone react with Grignard reagent, will get 3 degree alcohol. Okay. When HCN react with Grignard reagent, will get what? Will get aldehyde. Okay. When RCN means alkyl cyanide react with Grignard reagent, will get ketone. Okay. When CO2 carbon dioxide react with Grignard reagent, will get carboxylic acid. ठीक है? Understand? Now, when you have active hydrogen, will get alkane. Okay. When active hydrogen compound such as alcohol, amine, या thiol group RSH. When all those react with Grignard agent, will get alkane, and that alkane is depending on Grignard agent carbon compounds. Okay. So this is all the summary and all the Grignard reagent applications and Grignard reagent reaction with all those compounds. Okay, so this is all about. So please do not forget to subscribe and like and comment my channel. If you have any query, please comment in comment box, and if you have any suggestions for further improvement, please suggest me. Thank you.